Give it up, man. It's been 3 minutes. Don't try to change my mind, guys. I know this guy has candy. What are you guys doing? And why are you wearing your Halloween costumes? Oh, hey. See, we're going trick-or-treating, right? What? See, we've been ringing the doorbell for the past 3 minutes, and this mindless idiot won't answer the door. Okay, 3 things. 1, Halloween was 3 days ago. 2, nobody goes trick-or-treating in the morning. 3, do you know why the mindless idiot who lives here is not answering the door? He's deaf? No, but I suppose that the mindless idiot would like to tell you that it's his ears! Oh, so we should go to a different house, or... I can't believe this. Don't worry, guys. If there's anything I've learned from television, it's that we give them the option when we say trick or treat. And since there's no treat... This is... You know what? I'll just go buy candy. Forget this.